If you're a student and if you feel lazy and bored during the lectures, then there are high chances that you are eating something wrong. Hence, it has been proven that healthy lunches and snacks help children concentrate better during the day. It also gives them the energy to function at their optimum level. So, it is very important to watch out for what goes into your mouth, what goes into your stomach. If you are still confused about what to eat, then this video is for you, because in this video we are going to give you an idea of what all things your lunchbox should consist. Let's get started. Number 1. Fruits. Fruits are the best choices because they give us the necessary vitamins to function throughout the day, but consume them occasionally as fruits are high in sugar. Number 2. Vegetables. You can add vegetables to your lunchbox to provide proteins to your body. Try adding some leafy vegetables to the tiffin to get energy like Popeye. Number 3. Grain or cereal foods. Add a bread roll, flatbread or an Indian style roti to give your body proper carbohydrates to function during the day. Number 5. Rice. If you are a rice lover and if you feel that without eating rice your stomach doesn't fill, then consider eating rice in small portions. But don't overeat, as you will feel lazy and you will not be able to focus on lectures. So these were the 4 things that you should consider for your lunchtime meal.